to share this photo or this picture. That picture, when I was 4 years old, uh, I carried my little brother. He was 1 years old in that moment. Uh, that moment, my mom and dad was not there because they busy or they have work. That's why me that's why I carry my brother, and no one helping me or no one helping us to bantay or to carry us, and no one relative, and no we don't have relatives here in Cebu. So that's why in that moment I realized that uh, I need to be I need to be positive. Uh, I need to be responsible. And I need to be happy every time when when we have a problem.